Day. Let's start!
Hi friends, welcome to my Rockstar Daughter.
Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. Do you know why we celebrate Republic Day? After India got independence on 15th August 1947, they followed a law of 1935 which was Government of India Act. They changed it a little bit, but then after following it for a little time, they thought it was very colonial. So they decided to change the laws, and so on 20th August 1947, a few days after when India got independence, the drafting committee was formed led by B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It took 3 years, and finally on 26th January 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. That is why we celebrate Republic Day. This day was also very, very important because on this day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was sworn as the first president of India. So let me tell you how we Indians celebrate Republic Day with great enthusiasm. In Delhi on Rajpath, a huge parade is organized and people from different states come to participate in the parade, and they bring out jhankis which show that we are one and united. Our defense also showcase their weapons to show how brave we Indians are. And in school, we children celebrate it with great enthusiasm and pride. There are patriotic songs, dance competitions, and also races. And we get laddus and mithais. On this day, let us take an oath to follow all the laws and become a responsible citizen of India. Jai Hind, Happy Republic Day. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and click on the bell button on your right side. And whenever I post a video, you will get a notification on your phone. And please do follow me on Instagram and share my videos to your friends and family members. Thank you. Bye-bye.